Enzo.
Hmm?
Enzo.
Enzo, yeah.
I'm Darlene, sir.
Darlene.
Yes. Jack.
And?
Jana.
And?
Sophia.
And?
Eloisa.
Oh, yeah. 만나서 반갑습니다.
Yeah, 감사합니다.
Yeah,
It's
nice
nice
to-
to meet you,
Oh.
daw.
Nice
to meet you, guys. I know.
Just call me Mr. Hoon.
Mr. Hoon.
Yeah,
Mr.
Mr. Hoon. Yeah, that's my last name.
Hoon. What's your full name, sir?
My first name is Su Tang.
Sutanghon. Funny mo talaga siya.
Su Tang.
Really? Totoo ba yan?
Yeah. That's full name, full name.
Ah, okay.
Sure name.
Judge. Ang hirap maging translate. Sabi na parang may pagkain na sa
My last name is Hoon.
Hoon.
Yeah, Hoon. First name is Su Tang.
Okay.
How long are you staying in the Philippines, sir?
2 years, sir?
2 years.
Yeah.
Okay. You have family here, sir?
No.
No. Okay.
No family here. Actually, I'm originally from North.
From
North.
North?
Korea.
North Korea.
North View.
North
very
Korea.
well.
I live. I live in North View.
You're right.
I live in View.
Hindi na ako ay kung may singit guys.
But the problem here, there are so many cars.
Yes, sir. It's always traffic.
Traffic every day. You working in after study working hospital.
Yes, sir. We'll be working in hospitals. And we'll also go to Korea soon.
Oh,
yes.
really? Wow.
In Jeju-do.
Whoa.
In Busan.
Mm. Yeah, nice place there. Nice. How many years? Only
Nursing, sir.
yeah, nursing
4 years, sir.
4 years.
Yes. Then we'll take board exams.
Mm. But you like to go Korea?
Yes, sir. We want to visit Korea.
Yeah, I hope soon. Yeah, you can.
There are many 잘생겼다.
Wow.
Wow, guys. Pogi. Here in our school, we only have one oppa. It's Enzo.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he's an oppa. People always call him 잘생겼어.
Oh, yeah, oppa.
No,
Before I'm oppa.
Wow!
I'm oppa in Makati. Opa house.
Upa ng bahay.
Ah. Ah.
I'm Opa house girl. Tipo.
Guys, ano ba yan? Common sense na lang. Mari.
But now I have a own house in North Korea.
North Fairview. It's far, sir.
Yeah, not in North Korea. No. Korea naman.
Hindi na ba ako direct sabing North Korea? Nakakamatay sa pag-asyo.
Where are you?
The other one.
Why are you laughing? It's okay, you're laughing. It's okay. You happy, right? You happy?
Yes, sir.
That's so.
And later we'll be tired na.
Oh,
Because we have many patients.
yeah, just just look. It's okay. It's okay.
We're happy. We'll give you 5 stars.
Whoa,
Yes!
whoa, 감사합니다. Not in North Korea. Only here.
North Fairview. Okay,
North
sir.
Fairview.
Yeah, North
Thanks for
Fairview.
clarifying.
Grabe ang traffic dito, no?
Kulit mo, kuya. Pilipino ka naman pala.
Nakakainis. Gaya ko.
It's a prank!
Ang traffic dito, banday.
Buti ka di ko tinuruan Tagalog.
Hindi kasi natatawa na ako sa inyo eh. Pipigil kayo ng tawa eh.
Oh, pero maganda yung ano mo, kuya.
Okay ba yung mga jokes ko?
Okay. Babawasan
Yung
na lang
sotangon,
yung
kuya eh. Tawa-tawa na ako.
Ano yun? Isotangon.
Sotangon. Guess ko na
Dahil-
nagsotangon eh.
It's a...
Prank.
So actually,
May camera ba?
Ayun o.
Ay,
naka-video po tayo.
patag na lang, kuya.
So ako po ay isang content creator.
Oh.
Nako po!
Legit ba ito, kuya?
Mamaya makita tayo. Mga estudyante ko to.
So ang tanong, okay lang ba i-upload natin sa aking social media account?
Sa akin okay lang. Okay lang, kuya.
Okay lang. Good vibes naman eh, no?
Ah.
Hala!
Nagko-Korean.
Nagko-Korean pa ako!
Galing nga eh. Galing nga mag-Korean eh. Bigyan ko yung sticker.
Yun, oh.
Para di nyo ako makalimutan.
Ah. Thank you po.
Promotion! Thank you, kuya.
Yeah, I'm Pinoy. I'm not Korean.
Ibang-ibang Pinoy.
Wag
kang matatago.
Oh, dito na tayo, no?
Opo.
Yay! Ulitin natin. It's a...
Prank!
So, nakakas kayo, no?
Opo.
So, dahil nakakas kayo, it's a free ride.
Hoy, dami yung 40 ko! Yung 40 ni Karen, sa akin mo na ibigay.
Oh my God!
Sa akin na, sa akin na.
Hey.
Thank you, kuya. Sure ka, kuya?
Sure na sure.
Love you, kuya.
Good vibes
Ang galing talaga eh.
Yes.
Sir, pwede ba?
Nakapass sa akin, naka-free rides yan.
Uy.
Oo. Saan tayo? Okay lang ba dito?
Okay lang.
Sa likod.
Okay lang din, kuya.
Okay lang. Okay, good luck sa inyong trabaho, no?
Thank you po.
Kuya!
You're welcome.
Ay, nasa likod.
Sige, sige. Ayusin natin yung likod.
Salamat po. Thank you, kuya.
Bye-bye. Ingat ha. Good luck
Ingat
sa
po kayo.
ano.
Thank you po.
Bye-bye. Mag-aaral kayo ng mabuti. Yan! And it's Don Bertos TV.